all together, and what do you get?
This week on Put It All Together, I'll show you how I transformed this solid wood dining table into the beauty it once was. I bought the table and the chairs from a private seller for $100. It was in pretty bad shape when I first bought it, but for $100, it was well worth it. A quick trip to one of my favorite stores, and a little sanding here, a little staining there, and I was sure it would be beautiful again. The only thing I was worried about was the upholstery process, as I had never attempted such a thing before. And I was right, it was harder than I thought, but it turned out beautiful. Free tip: buy more material and staples than you need. The whole project was completed in a weekend with a whole lot of help from my brother, so if you have one, use them. After staining, I left it to dry in the garage for a day. Then I moved it into the house. Another trip to the store for some table jewelry, and voila, all for under $150. $100 for the table, $26 for accessories, $23 for material, and $0 for labor. The brother came free. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.